Welcome to Eureka Remedies, and thank you ever so much for taking the time to check out this video in which we are going to be answering the question: is Leptitox safe to take? Before we get started, we want to quickly mention that in case you landed here while looking for where to actually buy Leptitox, you can do so by clicking the first or second link in the description below this video. If you want to immediately purchase Leptitox without having to sit through the long vendor video presentation, you can do so by clicking the second link in the description below this video. Both links will take you to the vendor's official website where you can buy Leptitox at its current lowest price with all the available discounts applied. So, now that we've got all of that out of the way, let's answer the question at hand. Is Leptitox safe to take? Leptitox has been taken by thousands of folks with no reported side effects. The only side effect is having to spend money on new tight-fitting sexy clothing, or cancel your gym membership. Also, Leptitox is a lot safer than starvation diets or hours of high-intensity cardio at the gym, because you are restoring your body's natural leptin and hunger response rather than disrupting it further. Addressing leptin resistance is the single most important thing you can do for long-lasting results now and into old age. Leptitox is safer than your daily multivitamin. It has natural ingredients and they're extremely high quality, manufactured at an FDA-inspected, state-of-the-art facility, using the latest equipment. On top of that, they are put through additional third-party inspections and quality control, so you can rest assured that Leptitox is safe. Okay, hopefully we answered your question and you found this helpful. If so, please give our video a like, comment below with any further questions, and consider subscribing. And lastly, click the link in the description below this video for instant access to Leptitox at a discount from the vendor's official website. Thanks for watching.